How to fix X or Twitter application likes not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to solve X or Twitter apps likes not showing issue. Do watch the video till the end. Firstly, tap and hold X or Twitter app. Tap I button. This will let you access to the app info section of X. Scroll down, tap storage uses. Now tap clear cache. You can even clear data by tapping on it and tap delete button. This will log out and you need to sign in again to X. Scroll down, tap permissions and make sure to grant all the applications permission by tapping each app and tap allow button. Similarly, you can do it for everyone. Come back to the section, tap battery uses and tap force stop to first stop the application. If there is any updates, you can easily open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Then tap search icon at bottom right corner, tap search at top of the screen. Search X and if there is any update button, you need to tap update and update the application to latest version. Lastly, restart the device holding your power button and sliding towards restart. This will fix X or Twitter app likes not showing problem. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.